Change is always in the air at Timberland Regional Library. We are continuously working on innovative ways to modernize our locations while still providing the library experience patrons have always loved. And with 29 libraries servicing 5 counties across 7,000 square miles, there's always something exciting to look forward to. In February 2022, TRL opened its 29th branch, Hawks Prairie Timberland Library. This 3-year pilot project provides library experiences in an underserved area with free access to Wi-Fi, computers, printing, scanning, faxing, and the Lucky Day collection, which contains trending books and movies available on a first-come, first-served basis. A library in the mall? That's right. In 2021, West Olympia Timberland Library opened in Capitol Mall in Olympia. This exciting venture has allowed us to connect with the community in fun new ways and introduce thousands of new visitors to TRL. Libraries are a cornerstone of their communities, and each community is unique. During building renovations, great efforts are made to preserve each library's signature features while also embracing the updates and changes needed to provide clean and accessible spaces for everyone. For some buildings, these are the most significant upgrades in 20 to 30 years. Changes include new exterior and interior paint throughout the buildings, repairs and additions, new carpet and flooring, new furniture, adjustable and welcoming service desks, completely renovated restrooms, expanded access added to more libraries, and so much more. Library remodels include essential upgrades and aim to create spaces that make all visitors feel comfortable and accommodated. Thank you to our partners and communities for your support.